Oh boy, this is gonna be great. Anyway, guys, I am playing Roblox again, and if you could look at the players, you could tell I'm playing with Rachel again. You're gonna play in here, Rachel?
Yeah.
All right. So can you talk louder this time whenever we come to speak in the microphone?
Hello.
Hello.
I don't know if you can hear me, but hello.
Yeah. Well, they'll be able to hear you. Probably not really loud. Well, all right. Oh, hi, Rachel.
Hey. What up?
I am literally right behind you. Don't call me a cracker.
Wait, how many points do I have left? Oh, I only have 10.
No, you have 13.
Oh,
the killer.
I have 10 survivals.
Oh, shoot. Oh, shoot.
Who's the killer?
Jeff. It's Jeff. Where is Jeff? Jeff?
I can hear
Oh,
him.
no! He's really creepy. Rachel, he's behind us, Rachel.
I know.
And okay. I don't know why my run button wasn't working.
For the love of God, don't follow me.
I don't see him. But of course, I don't really know anything. Why am I so slow? Am I going in this dirt? Oh, I don't want to fall off the world. Mega VIPs. Hi. Oh, Rachel! No!
No!
Oh, you're still alive. No! You died, didn't you?
Yeah. But now I have 20 points.
I have 40. Rachel! The Mega VIP person, Harkar. She has 106 points.
I'm about to
Oh no. Please.
say hello to this person.
No, don't follow me. No. Oh my god, Rachel, look. No! We only had 20 seconds. Unfortunately, I can only make my videos up to 15 minutes, guys, so...
I added everyone as a friend.
Did you really?
Yeah.
Joker Batman says hi, and then Harkar says thanks. I don't know why she's saying thanks, but... Wait, why is she saying thanks? Do you know why she's saying thanks, Rachel?
Nope.
Oh, alright. And she's sending a bunch of hearts. You're welcome, Nemo. LMAO. I never know what that meant. I always thought that meant lame-o. Oh, okay. Alright. I always wondered what that meant. I'm just really stupid. Anyway, the killer's arriving in...
That's me! Right there, do you see it?
Yeah.
I'm okay.
Granny's house again. I always die because she always spawns right in front of us. Oh, coins, coin, yes. Oh, see? She's right there. Oh. Where is she? I see her. She is... Okay. Well, as long as she doesn't...
Is she upstairs?
No, look at my screen.
Okay.
So as long as she doesn't get on... Oh, she did. Yep. Oh my god. What?
Did she get you?
She got me. You should see it in the recording, Rachel. She just straight up... Man, I wish I was recording when we were doing Jason. That would have been a real good thing to record, Rachel.
That would have been great.
Yeah. Especially if you see it.
I did see it.
You did?
Yeah, the tower I
Oh,
told you about was right there. Oh, I died.
Yeah, I know, but Rachel, I didn't think you were looking at me. I didn't think you were trying to see if I survived.
Yeah, I was looking at you.
All right. Oh, look, Rachel, it's basically another noob.
Noob.
It doesn't really matter. I don't know why I call them noobs. I am considered a noob who just play video games. Markiplier considers himself a noob playing video games.
I'm a noob.
Are you a noob? You're a noob.
I look like a noob.
Yes, you're a guy with a flat.
How many points do I have?
You can literally look. You have 20 points. Rachel.
Oh, darn.
And I have 42.
Yeah, I'm your only friend here.
Hey, I have lots of friends. They just decided not to join. By the way, Rachel, when we're done recording, I want to tell you something.
Okay.
I'm not gonna tell you in the recording. I swear, Thanos is just really creepy back there.
Creepy.
Creepy. Hi, Thanos. What's up? We killed you once. Stop. 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 Oh, there was on the list for one more second, and the survivors are...
Look at you guys surviving.
It looks like it's only 3 survivors. Alright.
But wait, I have 10
points.
survivals.
And I have 8 survivals. Hardcore has 72 survivals. The last person in the server had 106 survivals.
What can I get?
Nothing.
I
don't think. Yeah, I was gonna say I don't think you can get anything. Wait, hold on. You might be able to get something for 15. You might get a Dr. Pepper for 15. I'm pretty sure.
That's not survivals. That's points.
Yeah, you have 20 points.
Yeah, I was able to. I can get a.
Wait, are we at Jeff the Killer again? Yeah. Why are you dancing?
Why am I dancing?
No, this girl.
Some girls just dancing, being casual. Where are we at?
We're at Jeff the Killer's again. Can I go in this house? This person has a really big door. Oh, we can't go in. Oh no.
It sounds like he's very close to me, but I don't see him anywhere.
Same here. I hear him laughing, but...
Yeah. Just gonna go this way.
Winter 333333 is still in game. She's been playing this game for like the entire time we were even playing, even before I started recording. Oh, he is definitely close. Also, this dog unicorn guy. Oh, this. Oh wait, that's Hardcore. Hardcore is like a unicorn cat. Maybe she's scared of my avatar. I've heard that lots of people are scared of my avatar. Hello? Yeah, he sounds really close. He might be in the house.
He doesn't sound close to me anymore.
Well, I hear his laugh, so he's close to me.
I need a brighter flashlight. I got more coins. I should have 25
there he is. There
now.
he is. Wait, what'd you say?
I got more coins. I should have 25 now.
You had 25.
Yeah.
Oh, I survived.
I survived.
We all survived. I think almost everybody survived.
25. Oh, you have 42.
Yeah, I have 42 and you have 25.
Well, I did have a lot more, but I bought a cheeseburger.
Yeah, you bought a cheeseburger with it. Cheeseburger. I was looking in this gear section, and since it's glowing red, I thought Jeff was in here.
I got buff arms.
Hold on, I'm gonna see if I can show it on my screen. Hopefully he doesn't move. Oh, nope. You moved as soon as I... You moved as soon as I aimed the camera to see if you had buff arms.
My bad.
Ghostface again. Oh, I'm doing
gonna
Ghostface.
Save stuff for stuff. Like, I'm gonna save my money.
Wait, I just realized I just ran into a tree.
Yeah, that happens to me.
Does it?
I need a flashlight.
Alright. Obviously, we are not good at this game. We need to watch more Dennis. Maybe. No! He plays a lot of Roblox games. That's why I think that we should try to find him.
I don't think he would be doing this.
No, I'm just saying that he would play lots of Roblox games, Rachel. He's played probably like over 50% of Roblox games that exist. Too much. Let's see. Well, I don't know where Ghostface is, so I'm gonna hope he doesn't find me.
How much money do I have now?
Yeah, 32.
Yeah.
You're 10 points behind me. Maybe I should think about the thumbnail I'm gonna make for this video. Probably. I'll probably just do the same thing I did last time. Just look for a spawn recording and put something on it, like text or something. Ghostface! No! Ah! Ghostface is terrifying. I don't know why, but he is. He looks more real than than other Ghostfaces I've seen. Oh, this guy's not even. Oh, there you are, Rachel.
Hello.
Rachel, Ghostface is in there. Wait,
Ah,
oh man, Rachel.
he was right there.
Yeah, I know. I saw.
I saw his mask.
Yeah, I have like a good shot of
You're
it.
spectating me?
Yeah, I'm expecting you.
When did you die?
About like a few seconds ago. Rachel, if only you would have been in there for me to get a good angle, and I could have used that for my thumbnail. Oh well, I think I'll be able to use. I think I'll be able to use this for my thumbnail. I think I got a good enough shot for it. Oh, stop.
Oh, look, that's me.
Yeah, that is you.
How much do I have?
You have
32 and 12 survivals.
Yay! There's Thanos behind us.
Hey, Thanos.
Hey, Thanos.
How you doing?
Oh, wait, I think we're in Baldy.
Oh, where am I at?
I don't remember where. Oh, yep, we are definitely in Baldy.
Yep.
We are in Baldy. What the frick? Yeah, we are definitely in Baldy.
100%.
100%.
I should now have 34.
Yeah, 34. I swear. Did you hear that?
Nope.
If you hear a ruler smacking, that's when you run.
Okay.
I feel like he might use his ruler in this game. If we're in Baldy, because I don't know if we're in Baldy or not. Oh, look, there's a person. Did he get you?
He's silent. I didn't hear any noise.
Oh God!
Yeah.
Jesus! He just came out of nowhere!
Yeah. I just turned the corner and I saw some tall person running.
Well, at least you know for sure that we're in Baldy. Oh, it was just so
We got
sudden.
36 now.
I only found one coin the entire time we were playing this game, I'm pretty sure. Just a 1-2 point coin.
Hey, have you played this before?
No.
Oh.
Why?
Swimming. Because you're 44. No. Oh.
Yeah, I found all 44 where we were in as well. We went the entire like half hour we were playing this game. Alright, I only got like 2 minutes that I can do of this video.
Loser.
Don't call me loser.
Loser.
Alright, well, that's nice of you. Thanks, Rachel. You're always so nice to me. Alright. Well, I hope we were speaking loud enough, because we only got exactly 2 minutes of this video that we can do. So,
we should probably end it now.
do you think we should just hold on for a second? I'm gonna see if I can try to pause it for a second. Yeah.